Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add admin access on a Squarespace. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to install the Squarespace application on your iPhone or Android device. If you haven't already, you can also do it on a Windows on a computer or a laptop device, but I'm on my iPhone, so I'm just gonna go to the Squarespace application and sign in into my account. I've already signed into my account, so I'm just gonna click on my blog right here. Actually just click on the three lines in the bottom right corner of the screen and then just go to settings, and here just click on permissions. And here you can just invite a contributor. So you just have to add their name and their email and just select administrator in the permissions, and then you can just add them as an administrator on your Squarespace site. So this is how you do it guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.